Here I'm going to show you how to enhance the hairline with semi-permanent color. As you can see here, I have already shown a little bit of the side done and completed with enhancements and the other side without enhancements. You are going to need an airbrush machine and a business card or a square-shaped object to get the perfect 90-degree angle, and simply pull the trigger back little by little to release the paint to your liking. Simply just continue to touch up the edges using the business card as the guideline. Always remember that the way to get the best, sharpest edges is to use a straight razor. Always be sure to use a new one per client, and simply go along the edges and sharpen them up as best and as crispy as possible. As you can see, with the combination of the semi-permanent paint and the straight razor work, we have now a 90-degree angle, perfect edge up. It looks very natural. We're not forcing it. We're not making it pure dark. We want to make sure we always keep the hairline natural in its place and never push it back. If you guys feel like anything that I've showed you in this video has helped you improve your barber game, give me a like, share, subscribe, comment below. I appreciate all support. Thank you.